Hello viewers, in this video I'll show you how to fix Instagram error. Please check your internet connection and try again later problem in Instagram. If you want to solve this problem, please follow the step. Step 1. Open your phone setting. Search Wi-Fi. You make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data connection is properly connected. Step 2. Long press or long tap on Instagram application. Go to Apps Info. Click on Storage. Again click on Clear Data. Tap on Clear Cache Data in Instagram application. Step 3. Open Play Store. Go to Search. Search Instagram application. Update your Instagram application latest version. Step 4. Restart your device and reopen it. You can follow all of the steps to fix Instagram error. Please check your internet connection and try again later problem. If this video helpful for you, please subscribe our channel and like this video.